"Hello, heathens. Come with me while I try to fix a starving injection system." The truck would turn on fine, and after running idle for about a minute, the RPM would start dipping to about 400 and bounce back to 800 RPM under load. You can't tell, but as soon as you let go of the gas, it will start dipping. If I turn off the truck and start it back up, it will run normal for another minute, but will go back to bouncing between the RPM of 400 and 800. I have two sensors I will look into, the idle control sensor and the MAF sensor, as well as checking sure the vacuum hoses look in good health. I'm going to start by disconnecting the battery. This will allow the installation of the new sensors to assimilate when cranking the car back up. This is the idle control sensor. You should visually inspect the plug for damage at first inspection. I can tell this hose needs to be replaced. It looks dry and I can see a few cracks. It runs from behind the throttle body into the EGR valve. This is the inside of the idle control sensor. It's very dirty, and since I had a Motorcraft spare laying around, I will just replace it. The truck has around 150,000 miles, and this looks like the original piece. I like to use just a smudge of oil on new hoses so they slide right in, otherwise I run the risk of breaking the inlet. 22-year-old plastic has a tendency to be quite brittle. The original hose I removed had some curves and corners to accommodate the engine, but there's enough room in this path for me to use a regular vacuum hose. Once I have everything where I want it, I will just put some ties on the hose to keep it where I want it. Now we remove the MAF sensor. It is 2*T Torx size 20 screw, and the sensor comes right out. This is a good time to clean the plugs and check for any burn marks. Making sure the new sensor matches the old one. Both ends seem to be identical, so we are ready to install. Installing these sensors is quite easy. Just drop them in and put the screws back on and connect the plug. Make sure you don't over-torque the screws. You are screwing them into plastic parts. One more visual on the back end of the plug. Make sure there are no signs of wear or tear. This one looks healthy despite being old. Now we connect the battery, and when we turn on the car, we let it idle for about 10 to 15 minutes. It will help the ECU map the sensors. In our case, we were successful in fixing the issue. The truck has been running smoothly and without issues. I will leave a link for the parts and videos relating to this. I appreciate you tuning in, and if you enjoyed this video, please like and don't forget to subscribe to watch more videos like this and more. Thank you, and until the next one,